SER is up 27.48%. This is Tuesday, the 26th of August, 2025. Intraday low, intraday high in the post-market session of yesterday, the 25th, was 8.88. The reason behind that is that the company received an encouraging FDA feedback regarding its Parkinson's program, SER 252, which now has a potential registrational pathway. This regulatory milestone is fueling optimism among traders and investors, as it suggests that the company could be closer to advancing a pivotal trial and eventually seeking approval for a first-in-class treatment targeting the gut-brain connection in Parkinson's disease. Yeah, and amongst other things, when you talk about this pivotal trial, it means that the FDA agrees that the clinical trial outline that the company presented is such that it's uh, it's in pursuit of answering a specific question about an intervention safety and effectiveness, and forms the basis for a detailed trial protocol. So, amongst other things. So the news has sparked a heavy discussion in trading communities, with attention centered on whether the stock can sustain momentum and break through the $7.4 resistance. But I think it has done that. You can clearly see that it broke through that and has come back. So this is no longer that much valid as such. So it's not holding up. Not holding up. Short sellers are there. They have done what they do. The question now is does it have is it hard to borrow? And if it's hard to borrow, then we might there might be a chance that we may see, yeah, of course, short squeeze. Yeah, and also given the stock is also a low float one. Yeah, amongst other things. So let's see what's going on. Intraday high, we mentioned 8.88 has pulled back from those highs. So, but however, the extrapolation is saying that it's going to contract the expansion. This expansion happened in the post-market session of yesterday. Yeah, so the extrapolation is saying that it's going to be contracted. Yeah, and the contraction will remain in place up till Tuesday, the 2nd of September. Nothing. It's not giving it any breathing space to expand further. But this is just an extrapolation. No guarantee that that will be the case. This is also a low float stock. If things get complicated with the available shares to be shorted, if short sellers begin to find it difficult to find more shares to maintain their positions, to make it even, or keep their position in the any satisfactory at satisfactory levels, then there might be a leakage. Shorts, long hands might take over and you know cause further expansion to occur. So in terms of projections, we have 5.95. It's a downward projection. Yeah, is it a downward? No, it's an upper projection. 5.95. Let's get the current price. Yeah, 5.95. Yeah, it's a downward projection. Current price is 7.16. And then let's see. There are also downward projections. We have 0.6842. This was as of Friday, and then 1.422, and then 2.6. In terms of offer projections, we had 7.81. What are we talking about? Yeah, 7.81. Okay, just a slight upper projection from current levels. And indeed, we have 8.88 here. So 7.81 is nothing fantastic. So we'll check the minute charts and the daily chart for higher projections. Okay. So as things stand right now, even with a correction, the price pressure momentums are robustly positive, and there are no negative derivatives here, indicating that at least for now it can still hold up. There's a good chance it may be able to hold up the weakness that is in play, even though the algos are saying that they may be decaying. They may be decaying. That's why we have an extrapolation saying that it will weaken going all the way towards Tuesday, the 2nd of September. So let's just have a look at the daily chart. It's not active now. We might be able to get projections from it. Yeah, the line trend on the daily chart is a bearish one. Projections are saying 5.94, 5.79, 5.56. They're all downward projections, but okay, nothing. 6.81, 6.53, 6.09. Let's see, 7.59. Okay, there might be 8.37. That was that 8.37. We already have 8.88 here, so we don't need to waste our time here. Let's look at the 1 minute chart to see if we have anything beyond 8.88. 7.14, 7.33, 6.9, 7.7. There might be somewhere, something, somewhere. Okay, let's have a look at the 2 minute chart. 7.45, 7.66. Okay, we have 8.03. We have 8.88 already. Okay, yeah. As of yesterday, we had in the post market session, we had 8.68, 8.98, 9.59, 9.9, 9.97, and they kept on retreating that from yeah, for quite a couple of minutes. Yeah. Do we need to bother looking at the 3 minute chart? 7.74, 7.64, 8.03. Yeah, 9.59, 8.98, 9.59, 9.97. I think we've seen those sort of rejections already. Okay, yeah, we have 9.83, 10.31. This was as of Friday. So as of Friday, the algos were actually projecting that something was going to happen. Yeah, indeed. On Friday, it showed some amount of some volatility, some expansion occurred. Yeah. So yeah, indeed, there's room to the upside for the stock. Yes. So let's just see how things go, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.